Hi everyone. Today, the makeup and fillers have made everyone pretty and beautiful, but still, the impact of personality has got its stance. That means that personality cannot be denied, that certain personalities have certain sort of influence. So, this is Rahima Shah, a clinical psychologist, and today I'm starting a series of 20 different factors that can make your personality even better and impactful and could be remembered for a longer period of time. So, moving ahead with that, without wasting your time, let us start with it. The first rule, just create scarcity. What does it mean? It means that you have to create a scarcity where people long to listen you, where people long to see you, where people long to meet you. As if you know that abundance is never appreciated by the human beings. Human beings are really very good at being ungrateful to the abundance that has been there within them. So, in this case, creating a scarcity, creating a low level of interaction in a certain period of time can make your personality even more helpful and can make your personality even more influential. Have you people ever wondered that scarcity does not mean that you are just going to be available for a certain period of time? That means that you're gonna make your interaction a very low rate. That interaction could be verbally, non-verbally, that could be in the case of physical meetings, that could be in case of anything. So scarcity basically means that you want another person to long to see you, to long to hear you, and to long to meet you. So creating this scarcity just upsides your personality influence. And this way you can create a better influential personality in this case. This creates scarcity by controlling your verbal and non-verbal cues, by controlling your verbal and non-verbal actions. So, whenever you create a scarcity, your minor action can create a huge impact in that room. So, have you people have ever heard a stance named as "Let's play a game. Whoever spoke first loses it." So that means that staying quiet and leading the conversation up to the end is something that should be appreciated in every way. This is one of the basic concept of the leadership that the people who are born to be leaders create scarcity of their presence, of their conversation, of their verbal and non-verbal cues, in which way they just influence the people around them. And the second case that could make your personality even better and influential is controlling your reactions. What does it mean? It means that you are the one who's supposed to control his or her reaction in a certain way. Control different sort of energy around you. Whenever you control your reaction, the energy that was supposed to be based on a certain reaction that is being converted psychologically and thus can have you to have a better output, energy diversion in this case. Okay, let me just explain it in easy words with a psychological effect. Whenever you control your reactions, people just think that this person couldn't be brought down using certain cheap things. In this way, you are the one who is supposed to control his or her reaction and who is supposed to bring that on the table that reaction is something that is supposed to be given whenever I want it. You cannot have a reaction whenever you want it. In this way, you subconsciously, psychologically fit inside the mind of a human that you could not be conquered in any case. And thus, they respect you even more for that. Last but not the least for this video, that's getting with your gut feeling. What does it mean? It basically means the fact that whenever someone asks you that why did you do that? Why were you supposed to do it that way? Answering him in a simple way that my gut asked me to do it. Whenever you answer in this sort of spiritual way, an other person just get through you. he just get through the fact that you are the one who can sense the feels and sense the circumstances better than him. Maybe he did not get that gut feeling, or maybe he was not capable enough to follow that gut feeling. In that case, you influence that person to have a better gut feeling or to have a better reaction on his or her gut feeling, which would further lead him to think that you are the one who has got something really very special, and thus it would help you to get through it, and it would help you to make your personality even better. So this was all for today. I hope everyone would have understood that. And if not, you can ask the questions in the comment. I'll try my level best to answer them in the next or the coming videos. And if you like all three of them, then please do hit the subscribe button that so that you could have the other remaining 17 features as well for making your personality even better. Thank you.